Hello, it's me, the Secret Giant. Ah, you thought I was the Secret Giant because I'm wearing a hat. Well, I am here for lesson 2 of literacy. And today, if you can, we would like you to find someone in your house you can do this lesson with, to find a partner who you can take part in this lesson together. Now, we know that might be tricky in some houses. So if you can't find a partner, then you'll just be writing it down in your book. And then you can still share it with us on the email address, or you can share it with someone in your house later on. But if you can, try and find somebody to do this lesson with. Because what we're going to do, this is a speaking and listening activity where you're going to be talking and listening to answers and thinking about answers to some questions. Because today's lesson is all about writing, is all about coming up with some questions that you would like to ask the giant. So in the story of Grandad's Secret Giant, here he is, you see. You might have lots of questions you would like to ask him. Questions that might start with words like where, when, how, why, what, can, do, are. These are all some great question words. We'd like you to have a think of different questions you might like to ask the giant. And with your partner, you can take it in turns. Take it in turns to be the giant. Take it in turns to be the person asking questions. You might want to find a special chair, put them in the hot seat to ask some questions. You might even want to find a special hat for the person who's going to be the giant. Have a think about what the giant might say when he answers your questions. And what would you like to find out about the giant? So think about those questions, use some of the question words. If you're going to write those questions down, then make sure they always start with a question word, they use a capital letter, and they end with a question mark. But if you can find someone in your house to do this activity with, that would be even better. And if you can find a third person in your house to take a photograph of your hot seating activity, that would be even better. Or a timer on your phone, I suppose, or a camera. Anyway, think of some questions that you would like to ask the giant, and then have a go at thinking of some answers as well when you're sitting in the hot seat, just like me. Off you go.